So 5 years at LCVR. So this is my record. So because my previous career best was 3.5 years with my previous employer GGS. So this is 5 years at LCVR. So I'm very happy. So just want to say that it's been my dream actually to join LCVR because I come from the typesetting background. So way back in 2002, 2003, actually I was looking into LCVR's website whether we can go to LCVR because we were working as a customer for LCVR. So my aim was to reach to LCVR. So even I was looking into the net. There were some openings, editorial assistant in Philadelphia office. I was looking whether I can go as an editorial assistant. So there is one more guy here who was actually also passionate about joining LCVR. So we both used to spend a lot of time searching about LCVR, what they do. And again in 2005, I remember I even applied for a commissioning editor role when we had the LCVR India office. So I even applied for that, but I was never called for an interview. So I was very passionate. When LCVR opens an office in Chennai, I should be one of the first employees. So I got an opportunity in 2007 to be the part of the first team. And looking back, I can't actually imagine how fast this 5 years has gone. And again, you all know, I was very much happy that I got promotions within this 5 year. Again, 3 times I have been moved up. That's something that's good about LCVR. And again, another interesting thing is LCVR, as he mentioned, you can have a good work-life balance. That's one thing. In my previous company, even at 10 o'clock in the night, when I am finished off with my work and I was about to take a bus, somebody will be catching my collar. Come on, there is some more work pending. Come on, but it's not like here. It's not here. So we can actually maintain an absolute work-life balance here. And hard work is actually well acknowledged here. So you will be rewarded. All your efforts will be rewarded. So that's true in my case. You can take my life as an example here. So that's all good things about LCVR. And here actually people are very much valued. You know, all kind of trainings. So believing in our people, it's not just with the values and principles, it's actually in the part of LCVR culture itself. So I'm very much happy to receive this 5 year letter from Helen. And another interesting thing is, I have worked with a lot of managers than anybody else in this LCVR office. So I was with the book production department initially, and within book production, then I moved on to the web shop team. So I had again a foreign manager as my functional manager, and this web shop team, it was actually moved. It was initially in the multimedia team, so I had a manager, and then it was moved to CS department, so I was reporting to Thomas and back. So I was actually the one who has touched almost all the departments in Chennai office, so except for EPJ and EPJ. So I have worked with a lot of managers, so working with Helen was truly very interesting, and I learned a lot from Helen. Thanks for Helen as well. So thank you all. Hope to see many more people in this room to reach this 5 years. Thank you.